Now, in order for the Jane app to work with our platform and getting all the information sync in real time, you want to make sure that you go ahead and add this email address, janeapp.sync@gmail.com, as an staff. What you need to do is you need to give it full access to all of these. So it's basically a full access, admin access, one level below the account owner. This is the only way that we will be able to get access to the uh, basically the patient information and the appointment information that we need for our sync. Everything is HIPAA compliant because we are not saving anything and we are passing it to your high level. So as long as your high level is HIPAA compliant, uh, everything is safe and secure. So make sure that you add janeapp.sync@gmail.com as a user to your account and make sure that you give it admin full access like this in order for the Jane app to work. Otherwise, it will not work. Thank you. Bye.